Hi guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for clicking and welcome to English Vocabulary. Today we are gonna talk about in this video we will talk about 10 must-know business English vocabulary words and phrases. So without wasting time, let's get started. Number 1 is networking. It means the act of connecting with people in your industry to build professional relationships. Number 2 is client-facing. This term is used to be like a term used to describe work that involves interacting directly with clients or customers. Number 3 is ROI. It's an abbreviation for return on investment, which refers to the amount of profit gained from an investment. Number 4 is deadline. It means a specific date or time by which a project or task must be completed. Number 5 is pitch. It means a presentation or proposal made to persuade someone to buy a product or service. Number 6 is stakeholder. It means a person or group with a vested interest in the success of a project or organization. Number 7 is KPI. It's an abbreviation of Key Performance Indicator, which is a metric used to measure the success of a project or business. Number 8 is streamline. It means to simplify or optimize a process to make it more efficient. And number 9 in our list is synergy. It means the idea that working together produces a better result than working individually. Number 10 is elevator pitch. It means a brief and compelling description of a product or service, typically delivered in under 60 seconds. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.